In today's video, I'm going to share how I made $5,671 in commissions last 7 days with Amazon affiliate marketing. This is one of the most effective ways to make money online, and I'm breaking it down step by step so you can start using it too. I'll show you how you can find high converting Amazon product that people are actively searching for. Next, I'll walk you through the exact methods I use to drive free traffic from YouTube Shorts directly to my affiliate links. I will also reveal the tools and strategies I used to optimize my content and boost conversions. Finally, I'll walk you through how you can scale this method to build consistent income with Amazon affiliates. If you are ready to learn how to turn Amazon affiliates into a powerful income stream, let's get started. So, first, for people who want to start making money with Amazon Associates, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay? This is my affiliate account with Amazon Associates. And what you will do, it's super easy and simple. All you have to do, just need to go to Google and search for Amazon Associate like this. Click on the first link like this, okay? Super easy and simple. You will be directly in this page. Click on sign up over here. And here you go. Click on create your Amazon account. And here you go. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, and click on create your Amazon account. And that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon. Commissions overview, you should see some right here. Commissions, bounties. It's super easy, okay? This will be your affiliate account dashboard, okay? What you need to do next is you need to choose a good product and profitable product that people are searching for, that you will start promoting on YouTube Shorts to get commissions, okay? So what you will do, you will go to YouTube, okay? Go and open your YouTube account like this. You should start using YouTube. Why I'm using YouTube and I'm focusing on YouTube? Because YouTube is really a profitable, and you can get so much traffic from YouTube, because millions of people are using YouTube every single day, and they are searching for specific topics, services, products, and so much more. And as you can see over here, YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. You should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. So you should start using YouTube. So what you will do next, you just need to click on the search, use YouTube search bar, and ask, for example, how to sleep fast. And here you go. You just need to put questions here, just some keywords: how to sleep, how to do, how to create, how to fix pain, how to make, and you will find a lot of topics that people are searching for. You see that we asked how to sleep fast, and YouTube will give you those topics. You see this? This is a report search prediction. This is what people are searching for on YouTube right now. People are searching for how to sleep fast in 40 seconds, how to sleep fast, for kids, how to sleep fast military, how to sleep fast shorts. You see, those people who are searching for this topic, they have this problem, and this is a big problem. They can't sleep fast, okay? And it's a big problem that millions of people has, okay? So for you to help those people, what you will do, you will go to Amazon, okay? So go and open your Amazon account like this. You will help those people with this product. Pay close attention. Click on the search and search for sleep fast, okay? Search for this keyword on Amazon, sleep fast. And if you scroll down, here you go. You will find a lot of product here that will help people to sleep fast, okay? You see this? And I'm not, this is the proof. You see this? 30k people paid for this product multiple times. Do you see how many people has this problem? Like, those products who solve problems can make you so much money. Do you understand how profitable those products are? Do you see this? I'm not sharing with you something. You see this. You see with your eyes. You see this one? Look at this one. Over 90,000 people paid for this one multiple time. Meaning that this product is working, and this product is helping people to sleep fast, and they keep buying more and more every month or every week to sleep fast, and this product is good for them. This product solve a big problem. Look at this one here. Look how many people are paying for those products. Okay, so this is one of my profitable product that I'm sharing with you here on YouTube for free. So pay close attention. I'm gonna scroll down to find more. Here is another one. 7,000 people paid for this one multiple time. You see this? Look at this one. Those are the profitable product that you guys can make so much money from. So what you will do next, you just need to choose good products, okay? And all those products are good. So always focus on product that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month, meaning that over 1,000 people paid for those products in the past month, okay? Which is really good. So for example, I'm gonna choose, let me see here. We have this one here. This one is good. And if we scroll down, we have also like this one. You see this one, guys? This one also is good. Over 90,000 people paid for this one multiple times. This one is good product, profitable product. I'm gonna choose this one, okay? I will click on this product. Just click on the product that you want to promote, and here you go. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon. You see this? What you will do next, you need a YouTube short video that you will use to promote this product on YouTube short, okay? And you have here videos. You see, we have 20 videos. If we click on those 20 videos, we will find a lot of videos that we can use. You see this? Okay, you have a lot. You have videos from this product. You have this one.
If you could use a good night's sleep, and who doesn't, then meet Ollie Sleep. These good night gummies contain a calming melatonin blend to hush the night.
So this is a video that you guys can use, but I'm gonna go over here to this bar and I will scroll down and I will click here on show more, and I will check those people here who already paid for this product. They leave a review here, okay, a review about this product. So what you will do next is you need to download one of those videos that you can use to promote this product on YouTube Shorts. Here is what you will do. You will, okay, let me remove this. Click on this 3 point here. Go to extension and go to visit Chrome Web Store, okay? And you need to install this extension to your laptop. This one, okay? Amazon Video Downloader. Install this extension into your Google Chrome, okay? You guys can take screenshot or copy this name, Amazon Video Downloader. After you download this extension to your okay, sorry, I'm gonna go back. And after you download this extension to your Chrome, you should see this extension here, okay? So just click on this extension like this, and here you go. You will get all those videos here. You see this? You have a lot of videos. If you scroll down, you have all those videos here, and I'm gonna choose one of those videos. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on this one. I will click just on download like this, and I will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader page. You see this? You just need to wait a few minutes, and here you go. Click on download video, and the video will be downloading to your laptop like this. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva, okay? Search for this website. It's for free and it's easy to use. You just need to have to sign up using your email address, and that's it. Click here on video, click on the search and click on search for YouTube short, okay, like this. Click on this one and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload the video that you download from Amazon, okay? Let me find the video to show you. Okay, let's go to download. Okay, this is my video about this product that will help people to sleep fast. Click on open and your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here, okay? Like this, you see? Click on this 3 points.
Hi, my name is Angela, and
Click
I
on
wanted to take
set
a quick
video
minute
as
to give you my
background. Click on set video as background and here you go. This is your short video. What you will do next, you will click here on text, scroll down, and choose which style of text you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. You will click delete this one. I'm going to delete the second one, decrease the font size of this text, and put this text here. And double click and write this sentence: check link in my YouTube bio. Okay, we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description bio. Okay, so I will put this sentence like this. Okay, let me just decrease the font size. Good. And here you go. I will click here on elements. Okay, and I will choose this one. Go to shapes and choose this one. Just click on any shape you want to use, and it's gonna be here. Click on color and choose a black color, and just put this shape behind your text. Let me show you, like this. And here you go. So to make this text looks clear and good for people who want to get this products, also for people who has this problem, they can't sleep fast. Okay, and here you go, you have short video done. Let's check.
Hi, my name is Angela, and I wanted to take a quick minute to give you my honest review about the Ollie Sleep. So, I have actually been taking this for over a year now.
You see this person is giving his opinion and his review about the products, and of course he is satisfied. So click on share and click on download, and this short video will be downloaded into your laptop. What you will do next, pay close attention, go back to YouTube, open YouTube channel, and upload this short video to your YouTube channel, and use this title: how to sleep fast. Okay, and it's super easy. If you go, let me show you where you will put your affiliate link. Let's go to YouTube Studio. If you click on your profile picture and click on YouTube Studio, you will be directly in your YouTube Studio, and I will show you where you should put your affiliate link. Okay, because on YouTube Shorts you can't put your affiliate link in the description or in the comments, but for long videos you can put your affiliate link in the comment, and you can put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. For short videos, here is what you will do: go and open your YouTube Studio, scroll down, go over here to customization, click on customization like this, and you will be directly in this page. If you scroll down and keep scrolling down, you will see here links. You see this? We have here links. Okay, I will delete this one to show you. You should see this links. Okay, click on add link, and here you will put, I'm gonna put just welcome like this, and here I will put my Amazon affiliate link. So what I will do next, I will go back to this Amazon product page. You see, so to get an affiliate link for this product that you will use to earn commissions, click here on get link. You should already have an affiliate account with Amazon, so you can see this bar, this one is a influencer and associate site stripe. Copy your affiliate link from here. This is your affiliate link. Go back to your YouTube and put your affiliate link here. Okay, and that's it, and click on publish, and your affiliate link will be here in your YouTube. If you go to your YouTube channel, your affiliate link will be in your YouTube description bio. Okay, let me show you. And of course you need to create an affiliate account. You can promote a lot of products, because you cannot promote you cannot put a lot of affiliate links on this description like this. You see, let me show you so you can get clear.
We are going to talk about top 10 meme coins to buy and
if we click here on more, you see we have our Amazon affiliate link. So for here you guys need to put an affiliate website. So create an affiliate website, and inside your affiliate website put all your product that you want to promote, so we can start using this website on YouTube for YouTube Shorts. If people click on this, people who will watch the short video, they will go to your YouTube description, they will check your YouTube description bio. If they should find your link here. If they click on this link like this, they will be directly in this Amazon product page for this product. they will click on buy, add to cart, and buy this product from you, and you will earn commissions. And this product is a profitable product that I'm promoting. You see this? Over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month. You see this? This is the product, the type of product that you need to focus on if you want to start making some serious money with Amazon affiliate marketing with free traffic. Short videos, they are getting millions of views. They are going, you upload shorts, you guys know, you go and check YouTube shorts, you will find a lot of videos getting millions of views. It's the exact process, it's the exact method. You will use those videos and start promoting those videos as an affiliate marketer with Amazon, and drive, turn those views into clicks to your affiliate links, and they will buy this product from you. And you have millions of people who has this problem. A lot of people has this problem, they can't sleep fast, and you will help those people sleep fast with this product. And that's it. You can start this business from United States, United Kingdom, United Canada, Australia, Germany, your location, it doesn't matter. You can start this business from anywhere, and it's super easy. You don't need any investment. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do have an Amazon affiliate marketing course. If you are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and see you in my next videos.